We will now create our cart. First things, we create a new file, cart.js, inside Pages. We import React from React. This will be a smart component because we need to access the cart array in the state. So we import connect from React Redux. Then we import a panel, a column, a row, a well and a button from React Bootstrap. We create our class. And we export. We need the map state to props function that returns the cart array from the state. Now, if we have at least one item in the array, we will render our cart. Else, if our cart array is empty, we render an empty div. So let's write the render empty function, which returns an empty div. And instead, the render cart will return a panel. The panel will have an header of cart and a primary style. Inside panel, we will render the list of items in the cart. So we need to map our cart array to get a cart array which returns another panel, so we can easily distinguish one item from the others in the cart. The panel will host the key ID. And we add the row, the column of 12 for extra small devices and of 4 for the others. And here we simply put an h6 tag to render the title of the book. Okay, so now we can go to book item, from where we will dispatch the action to add a new item in the cart. Therefore, we need to make our book item to be a smart component. Let's import connect from React Redux. And I just realized that we need to connect our map state to props to our cart in cart.js. So go back in cart.js and add the connect function. So going back to book item, let's continue to import bind action creator from Redux. And from here we will dispatch add to cart. So import add to cart from our actions. And now let's add the function map state to props to get the cart array. and map dispatch to props. Which returns a bind action creators for dispatching the add to cart function. We then connect map state to props and map dispatch to props to book item. At this point, so we say that every time we press the button in the books item, we need to fire a function that dispatch the add to cart actions. So we write an on-click event to fire handle cart function, and the handle cart function dispatch add to cart action. We need to pass a book as an argument, and in order to do that we create a book variable which is an array, and this array is made by the current array in the state, and we will append the new book, because every time we press the button we want to add a new book to the cart. So we append this object to the array. Let's write entirely, although we have only the title currently in our cart to render. Let's test it to see if at least the state is updating, and fantastic, is working. Yes. Now we just need to import the cart component inside our book list. So we will render in there together with the other components. So we import cart. Let's change, there was capital. Okay. And we create a new row. We will render this on top of the other component. And inside the row, we just write our component cart. Let's save and refresh. And everything works fine. Every time we press the button, a new book is added to the cart.